like this. This name. This is soup. And next, this flower, marigold, yeah? And this? How do you say it in Nepali? And arco? Cucumber. And this? Cucumber also? Corn, yeah. And then this, what's this? What is it? What's that? Can you say the name?
This is Karela.
Karela. Can you eat that? Can you eat that? You can eat the root, right?
Karkal.
Karkal, yeah. And arco? Que arco?
Grass.
Grass, and that's for buffalo or what? For buffalo?
Yeah.
For buffalo, yeah. And arco plant?
My photo.
Yes? Yeah. Nice. Okay, finish.
This is
What? And where's that mango? Tomato, yeah, you said about tomato. Where's the other tomatoes? Where's the plant? Where?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. This is the yeah.
Yes? This is what?
Tomato.
Oh, yeah. That's the tomato.
Oh.
Yeah. And it's a tree. It's like a tree tomato. And then this, Keho.
This is cauliflower.
Baby.
This is allowed. This is allowed kerosene. This is allowed body.
This one?
Body.
Bodhi. And it's food or what?
Vegetable.
Vegetable.
Tami यहाँ बस्नु त म सिक्छु तपाईको
यस्तै लामो लामो
Llama.
Big,
Oh,
big.
oh.
This is big.
This
This
llama,
is
llama.
rose.
Nice.
This is rose.
Nice.
This is
Thank
rose.
you. Rose, where?
This is Vesta.
Oh, wow, nice. And Arco?
And Arco. This is house. This
House.
is tower.
Flower? Arco?
This
This is kauli. Allowed kauli. This is cauliflower.
Yeah.
This is maize. Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
This
This is
is
house.
Yeah. म यहाँ बस्छ अनि मेरो खेतमा
Huncha.
म एउटा घाँस बोकेर This is house भिचालले भन्छ
And Mandir? Temple, Mandir, China, Buddhist?
No. This
Hin-
is the